Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your Dyson SV10 is unplugged and completely powered off. Safety is paramount, so take a moment to double-check that there is no residual charge in the device. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the two screws securing the battery cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off to expose the battery compartment. Now you will see the battery itself. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling the connector away from the main unit. If the battery seems stuck, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it loose, but be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. With the old battery removed, it's time to clean the compartment. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This will ensure a good connection for the new battery and improve the overall performance of your vacuum. Now, take your new compatible battery and align it with the connector. Push it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely connected. If you find this process a bit daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek assistance if needed. Once the new battery is in place, replace the battery cover by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently but firmly to ensure the cover is secure. It's important not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. After reassembling, give your Dyson SV10 a quick test. Plug it in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your convenience. Finally, if you're unsure about the battery replacement or if you'd like a professional to handle it, remember that we offer a quote before repair. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. Thank you for following this guide and enjoy your revitalized Dyson SV10. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.